That's me. I still remember when my mom gave me my first bike. From the beginning of the road and throughout her whole journey, my mom's always gone the extra mile to raise me as the person I am today. And today, I'm going to give back. She's always been there when I needed her. To be a shoulder to lean on, going the distance just to make me happy. And that made her happy. But now it's my turn. No matter how hard life got, no matter the challenge, no matter if it was the middle of the night or if I was miles away, she'd always be there by my side. My mom deserves the world. She deserves to be happy. She deserves her freedom. She deserves a victory. The Pride Victory 10 LX with a luxurious, comfortable seat, four-wheel suspension, and unique stylish design. You can take this scooter anywhere thanks to Pride's patented Feather Touch disassembly, LED lighting, storage compartments, long-lasting battery, and an ample speed of almost 6 miles per hour. So now she can go that extra mile even faster. Lowest price guaranteed, free accessory pack, free shipping right to your door. This Mother's Day, take the final step towards mobility independence. Go to topmobility.com.